In the middle of a silent, snow-covered forest, a tiny spark of red breaks through the white. It's the long-tailed rosefinch. Its feathers glow with a soft blush, as if kissed by the morning sun. Small yet confident, it hops between branches, pecking at frozen berries with its tiny beak, as if telling the cold world, even winter can have warmth. When the sun sets and paints the valley pink, the bare trees seem to bloom again. Maybe spring has long passed, but with this little crimson bird around, even winter feels alive.